So we're back. So now we're about to take my expensive cold air intake off, and we're gonna, let me see, we're gonna take this off and we're gonna clean it. As y'all see, all this pollen on it on the inside, you know what I'm saying? I really should have just used a wrench, but I mean, what's the name? But it's alright, I'm sure. There we go. As y'all see, it ain't none on the inside, but it's definitely on the outside. So my guess will be if the outside is goked up with pollen, it ain't no air getting on the inside. That's what my guess would be. Alright, so look, we got it clean. No pollen, no debris. So what we're about to do is about to dry it. Now, I call it a everything dryer. That motherfucker dry everything, for real. So we're gonna let that bitch sit in here for a little bit. Alright, so we got the cold air intake clean, we got the dry sheet on. My engine bay is dirty as hell, y'all. I'm sorry for the last video too. My dread was in the way. Every now and then I had to cut it out, so the shit might be a little skippy or whatever, but yeah. Y'all see that tensioner, bro? That tensioner is she's the ring of death right now, yo. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all see the strip bolt? I stripped that, so now I gotta get a extractor, get that off. That's really why I've been procrastinating. I'm gonna take all